teaching job was when I was in second grade. My mother wanted to better her English. And so if I had a spelling test to take, I would give my mother the night before the spelling test, and then I would mark it, you know. And so she was 103 when she died, and she was in hospice at a nursing home, and I got a call from one of the aides. She says, "This was the first time I met your mother. And when I saw her, she reminded me of my grandmother. So I started speaking to her in Yiddish. And your mother sat up indignantly and said, 'I'm an American. I speak English. And by the way, your Yiddish is terrible.'"